Man, good morning. Good morning. We back up in here, man. Again. I gotta get back to it, man, with my daily vlogs, cause I done kinda fell off already. But yeah. Good morning, man. It's kind of chilly this morning. Well, actually, it is. It's cold this morning. It's 54 degrees, something like that. So, yeah, it's cold. It's all good though. Anyway, man, y'all know how I go. Like, comment, subscribe, man. If you're new, if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and consider subscribing, man. I give y'all a little man to do that. It's pretty interesting content on here for the most part. Other than that, we just be chilling. Y'all don't see what I'm gonna show you anyway, man. I got these got these ain't it, man, goddamn sweats on, man, which I will be dropping those real soon, man. So please head on over to the store, man. BelowNationLLC.com, man. Check out the inventory. I still got some things to update on the site, but yeah, they will be dropping soon, like in the next couple weeks soon. So yeah, man, please support your boy, man, with that. Head on over to the store, man, grab you something. You know what I'm saying? I will be doing a giveaway soon. Still not sure what the giveaway will be, but I'm gonna be giving away something, man. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be something that y'all can really appreciate. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, man, I'm waiting on my mama to pull up, man. I'm gonna spend some time with my mama today. And that you know, me and Ash just got back from my anniversary or whatnot. So yeah, on May Rose, man. I think I'm gonna start to tear down on May Rose. We'll talk about that later. But yeah, man, spend some time with my mama, man. Kick it for a little bit. She gotta go and handle some business, so she want me to take her to do that. And then I'm going to be probably go eat somewhere or something like that. You know, just spend some little quality time with mama, man. So yeah, that being said, let me get in here, man, finish getting myself together, so when she pull up, we can pull off. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah, she probably far. I think she in the shop though. Anyway, man, it's the alley where she usually park, but they're shooting a movie down here. I don't know what they got going on, but yeah, I got production stuff and there's a whole bunch of stuff going on down here. Universal City, California. They got a bunch going on. I don't know. Film trucks. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. It's crazy. She said she at Starbucks. I don't know what the hell. I don't know where Starbucks is. Might be down there though. Oh, here she go. Look at my wife. Jeep. Let's say everything is content. Everything is content. What they looking at me for? Yeah, I dropped her off at the thing. Oh boy, it's cool in here, boy. Ain't no sun back here. But Trying to be. Trying to be like you. Won't be like you when I get big. Alright. Look at my wife. Fine as a motherfucker. Look at that. Damn, that motherfucker's so fast. That motherfucker's so fast, man. I be touching on it too. I'm trying to touch on it. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I be touching, but I be touching it. I be touching it. Look at the baby hairs. Ooh! She killing them on y'all in. Are you finna pull out? I thought you was gonna stay up here. That's why I said, when I first turned the camera, I said, damn, she parked far. Cause I seen that joint from, I seen it from down there. Like, damn, she parked far here. Yeah, man, I'm still waiting on moms. So, linked up with my dog. Old brand nasty, man. I see a good old Memphis Grizzlies up there. Linked up with my dog, old brand nasty, man. We're finna go and get us some Slim and Huskies, man. We'll get us some more Slim and Huskies. They got that old copyright on, so. She asked me what I doing food. Yo, what's happening with y'all, man? What's happening with y'all, B-Low Nation? Go in there, man. I'm here to go get the baby, man, but as y'all know, well, it's been, how long has it been since I posted a video? I went live Monday, today Thursday, so I ain't posted a video in 2 days. Okay, I apologize. Because this is supposed to be me posting videos every day, daily vlogs, and I told y'all it was gonna be hard, man. I gotta get back in the swing of that, man, cause oh no, oh, excuse me. I don't know, man. This right here, it's different right here. So, man, I'm gonna try. Like I said, I'm trying to get y'all what y'all need, man, as far as the content. And hopefully, man, I can get it together. cause it's rough on me. But I'm uploading the video right now, man. Upload the video right now. For some reason, my phone and my computer ain't on the same frequency or something, because one of them saying one thing and the other one saying another thing about this video. And I need them to be on the same accord. But I guess whatever, however it go, as long as it get uploaded, I don't even care. I might mess around and upload another one tonight, cause I gotta get up in the morning and do some dentist things. I think it's just a cleaning though. I think it's just a cleaning. I'm probably gonna, I don't know. Probably gonna be out here, man. Have my teeth done out here in a minute. I don't think I'm going there. I ain't no wrong. I don't feel like nothing wrong with my teeth. I do wanna. I kind of want to do something to the bottom teeth, but I don't think I'm gonna do nothing. They ain't out of whack crooked. They just a little crooked. So, plus my bottom lip big, so you really can't even you really never even see my bottom teeth anyway. So, yeah. But yeah, man, we uploading. That ain't uploading, cause that's still saying. That's saying something else, something totally different. We gone. But yeah, man, riding to go get the baby. A little behind, so I'm kind of pushing it just a little bit. I hate when I have to do that, but I guess it is what it is. They're gonna get out of my way. I just love when y'all get out of my way. Fun times. But yeah, man, I drove the car yesterday to come and get duty, man. Man, Rose started acting so crazy, man. Like, she didn't want to go. Like, she was just. I had it was to the point that I had to cut it off, turn the car off to reset it, like to reset the transmission or something for the transmission to even want to act right. But it still wouldn't act right. And then I turned it off once, it wouldn't even start back up. But then eventually it started. So I think that's it for me, man. I think I'm gonna just kind of hit, take the whole car apart, drop the trans, try to find my new trans, and get what I'm gonna done with this motor, get it done, because I can't keep doing this. And I had my family in the car, you know what I'm saying? Ashley was in the car with me, the baby was in the car with me. I mean, I made it to the house, you know what I'm saying? We limped it on to the house, but like, I ain't really with that right there, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you break down with me in the car, alright, cool. But you break down, I got my family in the car, like that's a whole nother level of disrespect me. You know what I'm saying? So I don't wanna. I don't want that to happen no more. So we about to get this thing. I'm talking about get this thing done, man, from top to bottom, man, tip top shape type. Like this real deal finna be a brand new car. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay on the lookout for that, because that is gonna be, hopefully, that process will make it to the daily vlogs. Y'all gonna see me going in with the ins and the ins and the outs and the outs and the ins and the outs and the outs and the ins. Y'all gonna see me with all that. So, yes sir. Man, I don't know what's up with this. let me go and get him, man, and be right back. Slow down. Woo, man, today was a good day. We done got everything took care of. Well, I got everything took care of. I sat here, man, watch this, well, I'm sitting here watching this Dahmer, man. Watching the Dahmer, and man, cooked a little dinner, man. Cooked some chops and potatoes, man. Let y'all see what I'm working with. Don't mind the stove, my way. Some on the stove is hot, so. More chops and taters. So I'm waiting on Ash to get back. She went to grab some things. She went to go grab some things, some juice and drinks and stuff. So waiting on her to scoop back. But yeah, this is where we at with it. I'm gonna get you some juice in a minute, dude. Go on, eat your food, man. Yeah. Back on this cooking thing. I'm about to start back on my cooking, man, cause folks be out here, man, playing with me like I'm slow or something. Playing with me, man. But yeah, man, that's gonna conclude this video, cause I'm finna go in here and eat and do my thing. So yeah. That being said, man, it's your dog B-Lo, man. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, man.